Hi guys, my name is Anna. You know, I have a question. In the past few months, there's something I can't get out of my mind. Can you be a Gyaru without eyelashes? Okay, that's a tough question. I mean, the most important things are circle lenses and eyelashes to be a Gyaru. But I think a lot of girls don't have enough money to buy eyelashes. I usually use the Diamond Lash series, and they are a little bit expensive, I think. But well, I have friends that want to be a Gyaru but don't have eyelashes. So I did this video to show you that you can be a Gyaru without eyelashes. Because look, these are my lashes. I don't have eyelashes. I don't put anything. These are my real lashes. Look. The only thing I used is mascara. So, if you want to know how I did this, please like this video and I will make a tutorial. Thank you. Bye.